Hello, my name is Kelly, and today I'll be discussing another lesson that I have learned while being a healthcare management major. I know that a lot of countries struggle with healthcare, but it did not dawn on me of how much they struggle until I did a research project. So this lesson is about why I am grateful for the healthcare services that we have here in America. I know they're not perfect and they could use some improving, but overall it's a lot better than what some other countries have. In my healthcare systems class, we had to pick a location and discuss the healthcare. This is one of my favorite research projects because I was able to really dig in and learn about another country's healthcare system and the struggles that they had. The location I chose was Ghana. Ghana has many healthcare system challenges, especially with their failing economy, inability to immunizations, environmental hazards, unclear water, cross-contamination of crops, and diarrheal diseases. It doesn't seem like a big deal, but when you break each one of those down, these people are dying every day because they just don't have the resources. They have unclear water, which means there's no drinking water, and then they have to have something to drink, so they end up just drinking the unclear water, and that causes them to catch diseases and stuff. And when they do that, there's no doctors around. There might be one doctor for a whole community, and it's really hard for them to get there. Usually if there's accidents or anything, the bypasser is the one that actually takes them to the hospital. Ambulances, emergency personnel, stuff like that, they don't exist there. And when they do, they're very, very slim. Children are not able to get vaccinations and stuff to help. So once they're born into such a contaminated environment, usually they die because there's no cure for anything. They is a failing economy all around. There's not many jobs or anything like that. Because of the water, crops have to be watered, so they use the unclear water, and that becomes contamination on the crops. They have to have something to eat, so they eventually give in and eat the crops, which causes diarrheal diseases. And that's how most people die in Ghana, is because they just do not have simple resources like we do here. I know I've never walked to my sink or to the cabinet, to the refrigerator, and wondered what I was going to be able to drink that day. We don't have to worry about the food we eat. When we hear such outbreaks of cross-contamination, it's such a big deal here, but that is their daily life, and they don't know anything any different. It's sad that they do not have a doctor or clinics in order to treat them for fast treatment. They have to be very, very sick in order to receive care. And even when they receive care, if they're on their deathbed, family has to pay for so many meals while they're in the hospital, and then they send them home. They send them home with a family in order to die. So we should really appreciate America's healthcare more.